Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sonia. Good afternoon, Tarun. Good afternoon. ನೀನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸೋ ತರುಣ್, ಅದು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ.
Morning, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಅಂಜಲಿ. ಅಂಜಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಡ್? ಹಾರಿಕಾ. Eight. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Guru Brahma, Guru
Sir,
Vishnu.
I missed the two classes actually, sir. So can I have a compensatory,
Good
sir?
afternoon.
What is that? What is that?
Sir, actually I missed two classes. So can I have a compensatory, sir?
You can continue next Saturday. Next Saturday, I am taking one extra class.
Okay, sir. What time, sir?
Same time. Next Saturday is the 9th class of the month.
Okay, sir.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I'll start with Anand Castro game. After that, we will go to puzzles. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. This Anand versus Castro game played.
Sir, I can't hear your voice.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anand versus Castro. Anand versus Castro game. Anand won this game last week. Anand is white, Castro is black. E4, C5.
Sir, did they play a real match or online, sir?
No, real match. Then F3, D6 in Spain. D4, CD4, ND4, NF6, NC3, A6.
Sir, Anand is white, sir.
Anand is white. Anand won this game. Then G6, F4, Queen C7, Knight Bishop to F6, EF6, Queen F3, B5, A6, A3, NC6, castle. King side castle is not allowed in this game. Queen side castle can be done.
Yes, sir. Why?
It is a rules in the game. There B5, F5, NA2, Bishop. Look, Bishop DE2, H5, C1, King B1, Bishop D7, Rook D1. Sorry. H4, pawn to pawn. N B4, Rook B8, Rook C8, Queen B4, Queen G4. Sorry. King F8.
Sir, who is white?
Anand is white. This game. Bishop F3, pawn to pawn. This is played in last week. Now Castro resigned. In this position. He is staying down, one rook down. Surya, how are you?
Sir, can you go back one step, sir?
Now what will you play?
Bishop, rook to bishop. Bishop to rook.
Bishop to rook, correct.
Sir, can I go one?
Oh, okay, sir. He is one rook
forced.
up, down.
It is forced to rook up.
How, sir?
It is forced one
Sir,
rook up.
why Castro played BF6?
It is Force move.
No.
Sir, why it is 4?
Now you are
I
exchanging.
think I saw this
Can you
move
go back?
somewhere.
Okay.
Somebody used
what
this
will you play?
move on me.
Now bishop
Sir,
here. What
BD.
will you play? What will you play?
Sir, if he
Sir,
saves his
R
rook,
C7, sir.
R7. Bishop into rook. R7. Bishop into rook. R7. Bishop into rook. Bishop into bishop.
Sir, pawn into bishop.
sir, pawn into bishop.
Queen into pawn.
Sir, we are one pawn down.
Pawn down and also checkmate is happening. Next move, rook is coming to C3.
How, sir?
Okay, sir.
Rook F3.
Sir, what if now RH7?
R7, then queen, rook here. Rook here. What will you do?
Sir, RF7.
R7. Then queen into
Sir, sir,
Queen
K8.
Sir,
Sir, K8.
KE8.
KG7.
KE8. Now knight here.
Sir, rook to pawn.
Rook to pawn. Okay. Rook to pawn. Gotaita?
Unstoppable.
I'll share the video also. Unstoppable. This is what Anand's Kasparov game. Someone showed Anand Kasparov game just now. I'll share the video after the class. Share the video after the class.
I think somebody used this move on me.
Okay. Can I go to problem puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Sir, when was
Yes,
the game played?
Last week.
Okay, sir.
Last week it was played in Spain.
Sir, next
Sir,
week, can you show the game of yours, sir? I want to see some of your games if you have, sir.
Let's go. Okay.
Sir, so this was played on the board, sir, or online? Board.
Bold.
Sir, did you find some chess games on Google?
Which one you want? White to play
Any,
in
sir,
win.
any.
White to play in win.
So queen to F6.
Queen to F6, then king into F6, it is wrong. King into F6, it is wrong. White to play.
Sir, pawn to E5. E5.
Pawn to E5, then pawn to pawn. That's wrong.
Sir, pawn to F5.
No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Pawn
Then
to
you joined late, why?
Sir,
White to play.
Sir,
White to
network.
pawn to F5.
network. Mine also network.
Sir,
B soldier moves.
Sir, pawn to F5. Sir, pawn to F5.
B4. Who
sir,
told?
B4.
Now queen to B4. Now what will you do?
Sir, queen into queen. Sir, then queen into queen, no, sir.
Now queen D8. What will you do? Queen D8.
Sir, BB2.
Sir,
No.
B4.
Queen F6. Unstoppable checkmate. King F6. King F6. Bishop D. Bishop D.
Sir, what if king doesn't kill?
It is pawn down, no? And that smooth checkmate is happening. If king moves here, that smooth checkmate is happening. Bishop D2.
Sir, what if KH5, KH6?
K6. Okay. Then pawn push. You know. Checkmate.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Both bishops are doing this.
Sir, no, sir. Pawn push to G5 is possible, no, sir.
Then queen to pawn. Queen
It's
cannot
pinned,
pawn
sir.
push cannot pawn, but it is pinned. It is
Sir,
pinned.
sir, but how is it checkmate, sir?
It is checkmate, no? King can't come here or here. Bishop is giving check.
Oh. And even pawn can come and support, sir.
Yes.
It's pinned.
Black to play. I'll flip the board. Black to play.
So wait a second, I'll come, sir.
Sir, pawn, sir, Q,
Q H5.
Q,
Sir, Q
G5.
H5.
Black one.
QH5.
QH5.
Knight into h5, what will you do? Knight into h5, what will
Sir,
you do?
then pawn promotion.
F1 to knight.
F1
Promotion.
King move, knight into
Sir,
queen.
then knight into queen.
Queen, knight to queen, knight.
Yes, 2 pawns up on that.
Equal, sir.
2
Sir,
pawns
it's
up,
equal.
no? These 2 pawns are up, no? 5 pawns are there, no?
Sir, but knight is better than bishop.
No, it is not like that.
No, sir. Bishop is less than knight. Both are equal.
Both are equal. Both are equal.
Both are equal because their points are also equal.
Yes. Can I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, does one pawn up and all actually matter, sir? In
Two,
real
yes,
game?
1 pawn up points also matters. Black to plain win. Black to plain win.
Andre?
1 minute.
Sir, rook into rook.
1 minute. Rook in black to play.
No, sir. NF3.
NF3.
NE2. NE2.
NF3.
Sir, rookie too, sir.
Rook E2. Sir, E2.
Sir,
E2. So we can give a
Now GD3, GF3. No, what
Sir,
to do?
then rook to D.
RD5.
D5, sir.
RD5. Correct. RD5.
Then rook to rook, sir.
No, rook to rook is wrong.
Sir, check is better, sir.
Rook is better. Now king moves. Now rook into rook checkmate.
So now rook is
Now rook into
Checkmate,
checkmate.
sir.
Now rook into checkmate.
Sir, how? Oh, yeah, sir. The rook is supporting the other side.
1 minute. First, NF3. Pawn kills. Now check.
So we can directly.
It is post.
Sir,
It is
can
not-
you show it from first, sir?
Okay.
Can you give checkmate into?
You have to join 2
Sir?
o'clock class.
Is this actually a game, sir, which has been played because up it's written Western Larson Havana? Sir,
Yes,
we can
it
even
is.
play.
It is
Sir?
played the actual game. It played in 1967. It is checkmate. What will you play?
Sir, we can. Sir, 1 second, sir.
Okay. Knight F3. What will you play?
Sir, we can even play knight B3 now, sir.
Knight B3 is not right.
It will escape. King will escape from C2.
King will escape. No, not that.
No, sir, pawn into knight, sir, pawn into knight.
Pawn to
Yes,
knight.
sir. Pawn and pawn.
Now rook here.
Sir, it can go to C2.
C2.
C2. Sir, king C2.
Now it is not possible. Now it is rook into rook is not.
So then, yes, sir.
Now it is not possible.
Sir, one knight up. Okay, sir, I got it.
Knight F3 is correct. Now pawn kills. Now rook F2 D5 check. Now king moves. Rook into rook.
Sir, why not NC2? Sir, NC2. NC2 first move. NC2.
NC2.
NC2. What is that?
Oh, yeah, sir, NC2. NC2.
NF3 is correct. NF3.
Sir, NC2 is not
Sir,
possible.
if king goes to D3.
King
Sir, why
goes to
not
D3. Then rook into rook. Knight into rook check. Knight into the rook check.
The rook.
Rook into knight. Then rook into rook.
No, sir. Then also RD.
No, RD1. Then
No,
also
sir. Then
RD1.
also.
Then also
Then
RD5.
also RD5.
RD5. Then also RD5. Checkmate. Checkmate. RD5 checkmate.
King moves
Sir,
and
why
RD5.
not?
Sir, if king
Sir.
and push down once again. Sir, you
Sir,
can
why
stop
not
the
first move
checkmate.
NC2?
Black to play and win. Black to play and win. I took the board. Black to Black to play.
Sir, pawn push to G4.
Sir, BE2.
G4 is correct. Who told that? Radhika, correct. Now, F G4, what will you do? F G4. Now what will you do?
Sir,
pawn into
bishop to e2.
Correct. Very good, Radhika.
To
Correct.
bishop to e2.
Bishop to g2. Now h5 only move. What will you do?
Sir,
So
bishop
bishop into
into pawn.
rook.
Bishop
So bishop into pawn,
Into
checkmate,
pawn,
sir.
checkmate.
checkmate is not there because king can come here.
No, he can move
Sir,
that.
then bishop into rook, sir.
Bishop into rook. Correct.
Sir,
Into rook.
What first move is f4. What will you play? g4. What will you play?
Sir, what if first move be2?
First move b2 is not possible. Then soldier
Sir,
king
why?
can first move b2. Then king can come. Rook can come here.
Sir, then g4.
Then g4. Then
Sir, then g4.
then pawn to pawn.
Sir, then pawn into pawn mate.
No, 1 minute.
Not
G4.
now. Can I try this from first?
First 1 minute. Your first move is bishop e2.
Yes, sir.
First. The first move is g4.
Now move here. What will you do?
Sir, g4.
First move.
so now
Sir,
pawn.
can you try first?
Pawn.
The first g4.
Pawn to okay. This
Sir, can you show it from first?
I showed it from first. No pawn bishop e2.
First g4, sir. First g4.
g4. Now pawn to pawn. Now bishop here.
Why not pawn to pawn now?
It's
Sir, first we play.
Sir, why
Sir,
not
if
pawn?
you play first e2, you will
now
play
bishop here.
g3.
Bishop here.
Yeah, and the rook is gone.
Like this one. King moves and
So what is 3
Sir, you can come to f. Sir, you can go to f3, sir.
we can go to f3, but it can't go to f3. Just check it there.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, can go
Sir,
one
what
move.
if bf2 first move? I mean be2.
Sir, now king is up.
So first move be2.
First move
The
b2.
king is.
First move b2. Then
Sir, now g3, sir.
no
So
bishop
pawn to
is
g3.
going. Rook is going. Now rook
Sir,
here. Rook here. What will you do?
Sir, then also g4.
g4. Okay. This is also acceptable. Correct. This
Sir, you
also
can play g3, sir.
Check is there, no? Check is there.
Sir, no, sir. Back when first move.
Yep. Now what will you play? Check.
Sir, another move. Sir.
We can even play f4 no, sir.
No, it is check.
Why?
Check it. Check
Sir,
is there.
go from first. Sir, from first. Sir.
What first move bishop e2? What will you play?
Sir, pawn to g3.
On to g3. Then bishop rook. Bishop into rook.
Sir, pawn into pawn.
On to pawn. Then slow win for
Then
black.
again
Black slow win for
Sir, no, sir. It will be a draw, sir.
It will not be a draw.
Can't
One
be a
piece
win.
of one piece
Sir,
of no.
no, sir. It
Oh
will
yes,
be a
one.
draw,
It will
sir.
be a draw. It will be a draw. Correct. It is a rook pawn. Bishop rook pawn. It will be a draw. So you have first move g4 is correct. G4 you have g4. Now bishop e2 correct.
Sir, now f3. F5, sir. F5.
Now king f5.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, you will be having 3 pawns, sir.
Sir, g4.
G4. What
Sir,
will you play?
g4 pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn.
And now be2.
Now b2 correct. Now king moves. Now bishop into rook.
Now, sir, pawn. No.
Now bishop is attacking rook.
Now he has to.
Sir, this also will be a draw only, no,
It will
sir.
not be a draw. It will be a checkmate. No. If it moves into bishop into pawn checkmate.
Sir, no, sir. No pawn into pawn, sir.
So it's how it will be done. Yes.
So pawn into pawn.
king into pawn.
Sir, it will be a draw, sir.
It will be a draw. Pawn ending. It will be difficult to win. I don't know how can it is not possible to win.
Sir, if RD4, then bishop
is
interrupts.
winning, sir, in this position.
Yes, what is
The
that?
black is
Black.
the black had resigned.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Play. White to play. White to play. I flip the board.
Sir, pawn to A1.
1 minute. Think and answer. White to play. 1 minute. I have not put the.
So bishop into pawn.
No. Win moment.
Sir, D6.
Sir, QB4.
2b4.
Sir,
Yeah, idea?
Let's play.
What?
Sir, rook
before?
to F1.
Queen before is square. Now queen to b4.
Sir, rook to
Bishop to
F1.
B5. Sir,
Bishop
bishop to
to-
B5.
Sir, bishop into a pawn.
Bishop to pawn. Rook h7.
So check is there, no sir.
So what will king h7? What will you play? King h7
Sir,
So
RH
then rook to
or
F7.
h3. Rook h3.
I
Now king g6. King g6.
So rook to
RF6.
RF6.
King g5
RG3.
or
G3.
RG3.
Now king moves here. King moves here.
BF4.
The bishop f4. Bishop f4.
BF4.
Yes. Now queen gives check. What will you do?
Sir,
Checkmate.
it's a mate.
Sir, it's a
It is
mate.
checkmate.
Sir, not BF4.
Hello.
What will you?
Sir, RF5. RF5.
R.
Sir, RF5.
Now king moves here. Now bishop here. Now bishop here check.
Yes, sir.
King moves. Now rook here checkmate. Did you,
Checkmate.
did you get it? I'll show it again. Queen b4. Queen to b4. No, here bishop here check. Rook h3. Samarth, are you there? Samarth? No, bishop here check.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
I showed Anand Castro game. You can watch video after the game. Okay, I'll send the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Please. Black to plain win. Black to plain win. Black to plain win.
Sir pawn.
Think and answer. Black to play.
Sir, QD6.
2d6. Then queen will kill the queen. Queen will kill the knight. Sorry.
Sir, the knight into.
Queen will kill the knight. Queen will kill the knight. What will you do?
Okay, sir.
Queen will kill the knight.
Okay, sir.
QD8. QD8. QD8.
Queen into bishop.
QD8.
Queen into knight.
Sir, queen into
So queen
pawn.
into pawn.
Queen into pawn.
Queen into pawn.
Queen into pawn.
Now king g1.
So queen into knight.
To knight. Queen into knight.
Correct. You are one pawn up.
Now we are-
Two pawns up. 2 pawns up.
Yes, sir.
White to plain win. I'll flip the board. White to plain win.
Sir,
So knight to
bishop G2.
White to play.
so knight to f6.
Bishop soldier movement. Bishop. Think and answer.
The bishop, pawn into bishop, sir. Pawn into bishop.
On sir,
Pawn
knight
into bishop,
queen
sir.
on to
Pawn
bishop.
to bishop. Queen h5. What will you play? Queen h5. What will you play?
Rook to b8.
No. What will you play?
Knight to f6. Knight f6.
No.
Sir, knight into pawn.
Sir, qg8.
Q8 is correct. Q8 is correct. King into g8. Now what will you play?
nf6.
Sir, you on
Sir,
NF6. NF6 is correct.
sir is 4 without
One
any
minute.
sir.
All of you
Without
don't speak.
any-
Only one. NF.
nf6.
NF6.
Queen is gone, sir.
Knight
Queen
is
is
to queen.
gone.
Queen is gone. Correct.
Without any
Sir,
sir.
no, sir. You can promote it to queen and give a check, sir.
No, but
Pawn promotion to
checkmate is
queen.
happening. Checkmate is happening.
Sir,
here.
no, sir. Check, sir.
Now king moves here. You have to force to kill the
Sir,
queen.
pawn promotion to queen.
Sir, pawn.
That is also okay. Then king will kill the knight. Then queen into
Queen into queen, sir.
queen into queen. Correct.
Yeah, one queen up.
One queen up. Correct.
So rook up also.
Rook up also. One
Sir
rook
is
and one.
this check
Yes, yes, yes.
is
Yes.
sir is this check.
Yes, yes, yes. White to play and win. White to play and win.
Sir, queen into pawn.
Think and answer, Radharika. Think and answer. Take 1 minute or 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Sir, rook into bishop.
Look into bishop. Who told? Tarun, na? Or,
Sir, no, sir, I didn't tell.
or rook d6? No, queen to d6? Now what will you play? Now
The bishop to
e5.
f4. Bishop to
E5.
f. Oh.
Queen e5. Now queen bishop here. But queen is
Bishop
trapped.
f4, sir.
Bishop f4.
Queen is trapped.
Sir, if he doesn't take it,
Then you are one piece
He's
of
going to go, sir.
what is that? Now two pieces for a one bishop rook. It is better position for white. White is better position.
How, sir?
Two pieces are better, stronger than one rook.
Yes, sir.
So queen.
both are equal, sir.
No. Two pieces are stronger than one rook.
Sir, after h4, even bishop g5 is a fork, sir. Skewer.
What is that? First move rook into bishop. What will you play? First rook into
Sir, what if rook to bishop, rook to rook?
rook to rook, then bishop here. For it is skewer. It is for pin.
Amplify.
Sir, it's pin. Sir,
It
it's
is
pin.
pin. It is pin.
Oh.
Can I go to next problem? Can I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
It is Karpov versus Nicholson, 1989. White to play and win. Karpov, Anatoly Karpov, former world champion.
Sir,
Sir, knight into knight.
NC7, fork.
Sir, rook into knight.
NC7.
No,
sir, no. Knight can.
Sir,
Queen
knight
into
into
bishop.
Queen to bishop. Okay.
Queen into bishop.
Queen to bishop. NF4, what will you play?
sir, knight to f6.
Knight to F6.
Sir, knight to f6.
EF6, what will you play? Now rook here. Rook.
Sir, now rook e8.
Checkmate.
Checkmate.
R8. Sir,
R8,
checkmate.
Checkmate, correct. I'll show it again.
Yes.
Queen to F4, knight into queen, knight F3, knight F6. Pawn to F6, then rook E8 checkmate. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Black to
sir.
play and win. Black to play and win. I'll flip the board. Black to play.
Sir, RG3.
Sir, rook to G3.
Sir, bishop C7. Sir, bishop C7. RG3.
Sir, RG3.
Black to play RG3, then king into pawn. What will you do?
Sir,
No, sir. Pawn.
Oh, RG3.
Sir, bishop C7, sir.
King here. What will you play?
Sir, then rook to D3.
Sir, no, sir. Rook, sir, rook to H3. Rook to H3.
No
I
king will move
take
here.
H3.
No king moves here. What will you do?
Sir, then
E3.
bishop to E3.
E3.
B3.
Bishop E3.
Mate,
Bishop
checkmate. Bishop E3 checkmate.
Sir, it's mate.
It's checkmate.
Sir, can you go again, sir, from first?
RH3, what will you play?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Bishop C7.
Bishop C or Bishop C7. Then rook into rook.
Sir, then bishop
Sir, then pawn
bishop
into
D4 mate. Bishop D4
Oh, yes. C7. No, rook H8, what will you play? Rook
Sir,
H8.
then
Sir,
again
then rook to G3, sir.
RG3. RG3.
It's
Check is there.
King H6.
King H6. Then rook into bishop. White will win. Black to play win. First move is should I tell?
RG3.
RG3. King H2.
Sir, RH3.
RH3. Bishop D. Now king moves here.
Sir, this is double check, no, sir.
Sir, if king into rook,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir, no, bishop E3. Checkmate.
Bishop B3 checkmate. Now also checkmate.
Sir, if king into rook, sir.
Then also bishop.
Then BG4 main.
BG4 checkmate is there. BG4 checkmate is there.
Alright.
Can I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is that sleeping?
What, sir?
Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
Black to play. Black to play. Black to play. Black to play.
Sir, black to play.
Black to play. Black.
Sir, bishop to E2.
Think and answer, Shorya. Light moment.
Sir, knight to G4.
Knight to D4 is correct. Knight to D4. Knight to D4. E into D4. Now what?
Sir, no, rook into rook. Rook into rook.
Rook into rook.
Now queen to
Queen
rook.
into rook.
Bishop.
Sir, no, bishop into bishop.
And bishop into bishop.
Correct. One piece up. One.
Not a
Pawn
piece up,
One-
sir. We have two pawn up.
Pawn up.
Two pawns up, sir. Two pawn.
Two pawns up.
Okay, yeah, pawn up.
Pawn
One
up.
pawn only, sir, not two
One
pawn.
pawn. Let's show it again. Knight into E5. Pawn to E5. Then rook into rook. Queen into rook. Now bishop into bishop.
Sir, what if queen doesn't take the rook, sir?
You are down with one. You are down with one.
RF1.
You are one rook down, no? You are
Yes, sir. After queen moves RF1, then we are one rook up.
yeah, one more.
What?
Black to play. How is the class going on?
Sir, interesting.
Very good.
NF3, sir, NF3.
NF3.
Sir, NF3.
Good, sir, but it's a little too tough problem, sir.
In F3. In
Sir,
F3.
what if king plays H1? Yeah, it's wrong, sir.
It's wrong. Queen F3 is correct. Queen F3. G F3. Now king moves here. What will you do? Now 2 moves checkmate is there.
Sir,
B
bishop to
H3, B
H3.
H3.
Bishop H3.
Unstoppable.
Unstoppable checkmate.
Unstoppable checkmate. Now, whatever you do, it will be. First move, what you will play?
Yes.
It is forced to kill. Knight F3. Now bishop F3.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
when it
next
comes
move,
to
bishop to
online
G-
game, I'll just pre-move
G2.
and if there is unstoppable mate, I'll just pre-move, sir. Then I can get easy win. I should not wait.
White to play. White to play. White to play.
Sir,
Sir,
did
can you
you
shift the
find
board?
any-
I'll flip the board. Sorry. White to play.
Did you find any game?
I showed the game, no? Castro and Darren game to I showed, no?
The knight to
Not
f6.
Right.
that we can verse with somebody.
That is every day there is a playing tournament, you know, 8 o'clock.
A small tournament.
Small tournament, every day it will be there, no? 8 to 9 p.m.
Sir, rook into rook.
I have so much of study, so I could not attend it every day.
Queen E8,
Sir,
what?
no.
Sir, Queen H3.
Point
Sir,
in-
Queen H3.
Bishop F6 now. Unstoppable checkmate.
Sir, what if bishop B5 bishop takes, sir? B5.
Sir, what if Q F8 now?
Now Queen F8. Now Queen E has checkmate. Queen G5 checkmate.
Oh,
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can you go back?
Okay. Look, NF6, what will you
Sir,
pick?
NF6. Pawn to F6.
Pawn to F6. Now look into rook. Look into rook.
What if
why
bishop to B5, sir?
Why
Bishop
Bishop
rook into
into-
rook?
E8.
Bishop
Bishop E8.
into rook.
Sir,
The
Sir,
bishop
bishop
into rook.
Bishop into What is, which is the move? Bishop?
sir, why rook
B,
into
B8.
rook?
This bishop.
Bishop into rook. Okay. Knight F6, G6.
Sir, sir, what if Q H6 now?
Bishop, now Bishop F6.
Can you
right?
go back?
Now Bishop F6, E8, no, Queen here. Queen here. Unstoppable checkmate. Or Queen up.
Okay.
Sir, can you go back? One step.
Okay. Knight
Not
F6.
attend.
The pawn into knight.
Okay.
Sir, now what if Q H6?
Now Queen F6, then rook into rook. Check. Rook into rook check and Queen will move into F8.
Okay, sir.
what? Okay.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Oh,
Sir, can you flip the board?
so can you hear me?
Guys,
Knight.
1 minute is remaining. Can you
Sir, knight.
Oh,
Sir, Q G5.
RG6 is correct. RG6. No trap. Black.
Sir,
I'm
knight
sorry,
F6.
I can't attend those tournaments.
No,
Because
I
I have
can do
so-
only one tournament. Everybody has to can attend once or twice. Queen G8.
But I can't attend every day, sir, because
At least weekly
every
once you
day
can
my-
attend, no? Only weekly once you can attend, no?
Sir, I am attending daily.
Okay.
Judah.
Judah is attending.
sir. When I
Yes, F5. No, it is Bishop Queen is
But my
trapped.
father tells my eyes will get broken because I always be on laptop because of those.
Can
I need to
can I
attend
chant
so many
mantra?
studies.
Okay. Can I chant mantra?
Yes, sir.
नमस्तनंता शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पद शिरो भवे शास्त्र नामने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र कोड गदा ओम शांति शांति
That was nice. Thank you.
thank you Daksh, thank you everybody.
So the class was so